My name is Claire Munn, CEO of Boxspring Media. As we move into the gig economy, it should be an exciting privilege for us to learn. We should want to learn, just the same as if we want to watch a movie. Boxspring Media, we believe stories change the world. We learn from stories. So we've taken episodic short format TV, great actors, great writers, incorporated learning, business leadership or coaching, compliance, future of service, and then we've got 42 others in R&D. Bringing Hollywood and BAFTA into the workforce, we are hacking learning, if you will. It not only amuses you and engages you, but it ignites a curiosity in you. Long-term vision, it's turning 1 billion people into entrepreneurs.